Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Satya Utami, but you can call me Widi. We are from group 2. Today, me and my friends will explain about Tongkonan House from Sulawesi. And now I am gonna explain about Tongkonan. In this video, I will explain important points. The first point is the history of Tongkonan. And the second point, I will explain about what is Rambu Solo. Okay, the first, Tongkonan is a traditional house from South Sulawesi. The meaning of the word Tongkonan is gathering place. One time ago, Tongkonan is gathering place of the forebears to discuss. And now, Tongkonan be a homestay if you go to the Tanah Toraja. You can see the build always facing north, cause they are believed that our God and forebear in north. So when they toured in north to meet up with our good and forebear. Tongkonan traditional house. This Tongkonan house has 3 floors. Where there is division at each level, namely the bottom is Suluk Banua, a place to raise livestock or store agricultural tools. The middle part is Kelit Kalebenua, for the room of the head of the family, children and family room. And the upper part is Ratiang Banau, for storing heirlooms and valuables. The buffalo ornament in front of the Tongkonan symbolizes the economic ability of the owner of the house during the funeral ceremony of his family members. Every traditional ceremony in Toraja, such as funerals, will sacrifice a large number of buffalo. The buffalo horn in the attached to the Tongkonan belongs to the family concerned. The more horns installed in front of the Tongkonan, the higher the social status of the family that owns the Tongkonan house. Tongkonan house ornament in the form of buffalo horns and 4 basic colors, namely black, red, yellow, and white, which represent the original aluk to Dolo. Each color use represent different things. The black color symbolizes death and darkness, and yellow is a symbol of divine grace and power. And red is the color of blood, which symbolizes human life. And white is the color of flesh and bones, which means holy. The Tongkonan belonging to the Tanah Toraja nobles is different from the common people. Namely, on the walls, windows, and columns decorated with fine, detailed, and varied carving motifs. Their carvings with a picture of chickens, pigs, and buffalo of well interspersed, resembling plant stem sparrow, shaped building Buffalo had a sculpture on of the part that highlight the uniqueness of this traditional house is that there is a status of buffalo head attached to the top of the house. There are three types buffalo heads, namely black buffalo, white buffalo, and striped buffalo, in addition to the buffalo head status. At the Tongkonan house, there are also several additional status, and usually the owner of the house use a status of a chicken head or a dragon statue. The meaning of the statue is as a sign that the owner of the house is elder. Traditional house in Indonesia have their own characteristic and uniqueness. Tongkonan house also has a unique concept and really highlights the ethnic characteristic of the Toraja lands. Below you can see some of the components that pins find in the Tongkonan house building. The initial stage of the development of the Tongkonan is a house with the shape of a sparrow tree. The uniqueness of this Tongkonan house is the building of a traditional house that is on a tree and is made of an arrangement of three branches of a large branch. The roof of this house is made of grass arranged like a sparrow's nest. The other uniqueness of the Tongkonan traditional house is the carving ornament. The walls of the Tongkonan house are made of wood filled with ornate carvings. There are so many carving motifs made by Toraja trade. Each engraving has a special name. There are various carving motifs such as animals, plants, geometric shapes, objects in the sky, folklore, and others. Their carvings contain the meaning and values of life which are closely related to the philosophy of life of the Toraja people. Among them are advice to live well and correctly, always work hard, respect each other, always maintain unity and kinship and pity to God. This Tongkonan house from the Toraja travel also has a characteristic that it always faces north. This happens because the Toraja people think that the direction of the wind has a very secret relationship with humans. Where the north is considered of a symbol of the beginning of human life and also as a connection with the power of God, while the east is considered a source of human energy. Then west is considered a symbol of distress and death. The south direction is considered a symbol of the existence of the cause of the sky or evil and is also the adopt for the evil spirit of life. Another thing that we can find there is that this Tongkonan traditional house also has small windows and doors. It happened because the doors and windows with this small size will be able to reduce the volume of wine then can enter, because the weather we will meet there is very cold, coupled with the architectural model of the house that is made high. The foundation of traditional Tongkonan home. Tongkonan served for home, social activities, ceremonial customs, and supporting kinship. The interior of the house was divided into three sections, that is, the north, the center, and the south. The room in the north is called a sofa that serves as the living room, where the children would sleep and where they are overed. The south is called some, which is the room for the head of the family, but is also to be the source of illness. Living room or called saltin that serve as dining rooms, family meetings, and a kitchen and a place to lay to eat. So okay, so this is guys. Thank you.